Michael, in life, without great risks, there are no great results or positive results that you want in your life. Without failure, there's no success. And I know all these statements are pretty cliche, but it's the truth. You know, I get asked a lot of the times, you know, how have you become this successful in such a short period of time, at such a young age? How can you have the responsibilities that you have on your shoulders, being married and have 3 kids, and still be able to achieve the success that you have in and go through the growth that you're going through right now? And it doesn't come easy. I'm not going to sit here and sugarcoat it. Nothing comes easily. Anything that comes easy goes easy as well. So just bear that in mind. I believe what I'm trying to say with this message or this little video is that you need to understand a few things. One, personal development creates the millionaires of tomorrow. Personal development will change your life and your destiny. Your thoughts will change your world, your destiny. Whatever happens to you is happening for you because of your thoughts. Number 3, guys, you've got to understand leverage. To get anything in life, like I said, there's a risk and then there's an outcome. Once you understand also who you need to have around you to be able to achieve or fast track your success, these are the people that you need to surround yourself and associate yourself with. Nothing's going to be, you know, based on your own work. It doesn't happen that way. And it doesn't matter whatever, you know, what it is that you're trying to invest in, whether it's, you know, trying to have better relationships or your business or whatever the case may be, your health. Whatever you need to do, you've got to understand these 3 things: the personal development, the thoughts that you have as well, that you believe in, and also leverage. And you've got to understand that there's risk and reward. And if you don't take the risks, you'll never have the rewards. You know, I say to people all the time, if you don't change what you're doing today, next year you'll be the exact same place, if not worse. And that's probably the worst thing to do in this world, is to do the same thing. And, you know, it's pretty insane to think that you'll have different results. So my little message as well is that I believe if you apply this principle and this philosophy in your world, it'll change everything for you. Help enough people get what they want in life and you'll get everything you want in return by default. In other words, go find out what you're passionate about, go find your purpose, live it, serve it to others, and help others create the life they desire as well. And you'll get everything you want on a silver platter. My name is Joe Durrani. Thank you.